Eric, Suki, and I will make a presentation about our project proposal for Jobpin AI Level 2. Thanks for joining us. Here is the outline of the proposal. We'll introduce Jobpin AI and its objectives, introduce our team, explain how we are managing the project, show you the main features, go through the tech stack, and finally share our project timeline. First, what is Jobpin AI and what does it aim to do? Jobpin AI is an AI-powered job assistant. It matches resumes to job descriptions and gives a compatibility score. It also suggests improvements for resumes and can generate customized resumes and cover letters based on specific job descriptions. Plus, it offers a referral system. Insiders can recommend candidates and get rewarded if the hire is successful. Overall, Jobpin AI is designed to make job hunting easier and more effective. Well, what does the Jobpin AI Level 2 mean? Jobpin AI already has a solid foundation. For Level 2 and Level 3, we are building new features on top of the existing system, using the same database, code base, hardware, and software infrastructure. The development difficulty of Level 3 is higher than that of Level 2. Our Level 2 project focuses on adding new functionalities for both enterprise users and job seekers. Here is the introduction to our team. Our tutors are Kevin, Lightman, Stan, and Larry. Kevin is the main tutor leading our team. Lightman is the founder of the company. Stan serves as the company's CTO, and Larry is our AI tutor. There are 9 developers in total in our team. I'm Maggie acting as the Scrum Master. Eric is our business analyst, and Junior is our UI designer. With this setup, we work closely together to make sure the project runs smoothly and everyone's strengths are put to good use. For project management, we are following the Scrum Agile framework. We plan in 2-week sprints with ticket assignments and story points. Every day we have short stand-ups to track progress and address any blockers. After each sprint, we hold retrospectives to see what went well, what didn't, and what we can improve. This approach keeps us flexible, transparent, and efficient. Next, welcome Eric to introduce the new features of the Level 2 project.
Hi, everyone. I'm Eric. I'm the business analyst of Jobpin AI Level 2 project team. Today, I'm going to give everyone a quick through for what our team is going to deliver this time. As you may already know, Jobpin AI isn't only for job hunters. It also helps with the everyday headaches that hiring professionals face. Therefore, the new key features we are going to deliver will not just target on the pain points of the job seekers, but also boost the recruitment progress for the enterprise hiring users. First off, let's take a quick look at the target audience on the enterprise end. There are 4 types of enterprise users we are looking at here. There are enterprise HR professionals, whose goal is to fill open roles fast and stay audit-proof the whole way. The second one is hiring managers inside a big company. They're juggling their real job while shifting through resumes, squeezing in interviews, and writing feedback late at night. The third one is recruitment agencies, who manage dozens of roles for multiple clients, updating each client's ATS on different systems, and hustling for the next placement. The fourth one is solo recruiters, who run solo, sourcing on LinkedIn, cold calling, scheduling interviews, and doing their own admin after hours. So in order to resolve their problems, we're now looking at the way to grant them the access to our AI-powered platform and start their first job opening. So the features we are delivering for them, the first one, enterprise hiring landing page, a straight point showcase that speaks recruiters' language. One scroll gives match score demos, workflow snapshots, and ROI stats. The second one is enterprise register and login, a streamlined sign up and sign in flow built for enterprise users to access to our platform. Single sign on or SSO, the one-click method for register and login that HR professionals and hiring managers avoid extra passwords while security audits stay satisfied. Next one is AI-powered job description edit. It allows any one of the professional users to paste a rough job description, and then our AI will rewrite it for clarity, diversity-friendly language, and SEO keywords. Then the pricing page and About Us page, they're the quite common pages that enterprise users will visit when making a decision. They play a crucial role in building trust and helping potential clients understand our value proposition. Next page, please. Now let's flip the coin and talk about the folks who are actually applying for jobs. Jobpin AI may target the following 4 types of job seekers. The first one, the entry-level graduates who scrolls job boards between classes or casual shifts, tweaking the same resume for each post, then nervously refreshing email. Mid-career professionals, they work a full-time job every day, checking job alerts at night and trying to tailor each application on the weekend. The third one is career changes. They're juggling online courses, translating past experience into a new language, and bracing for rejection emails. The final one is passive job seekers. They need to quickly scroll LinkedIn over lunch, bookmarking roles for later, but rarely following through. So how do we smooth their journey? The first big part is the application tracking system, or ATS. This is the term and the system that people may be familiar with, but on Jobpin AI, we have something different and special to deliver. The first one is Jobpin Application Tracker. It's a personal Kanban board that keeps applied, interviewing, and offer stages crystal clear, so everyone can get structure, see progress, and won't miss deadlines after a long workday. The second one is Interview Manager. This is a built-in scheduling, reminders, and a space for quick notes. Candidates can stay on top of every call, even if they are balancing study, work, or family time. The next one is Interview Question Bank. It's a one-click access to role-specific and behavioral questions. The job seekers can get practical practice material and prepare fast if a recruiter calls out to them right away. Interview Management Research is a comprehensive tool that combines interview recording, question libraries, AI predicted questions, multi-round process tracking, and interview guidance, all in one place. So next one, which is another big block, is our AI-powered job analysis, composing of job description requirement extraction. This feature instantly highlights the most have skills in any posting. So the job seekers know what to emphasize and can spot gaps between hitting apply. Job matching scoring, a single match percentage that compresses resume versus job description comparison into a glance. Everyone can instantly see if a role is worth their time, knowing when to add certifications first. The final one is the skill and experience comparison. It's a side-by-side view of what you have and what the job wants, plus actionable tips to close gaps. These are the features we're looking to deliver in our Level 2 project this time. We believe they will help both sides on the same platform and spark a perfect loop, which is for recruiters, they can see cleaner, better matched candidates faster, And for candidates, they can arrive prepared and confident, so interviews are getting stronger. That's all from my side. Let me hand over to Suki for the test staff part. Thank you.
Thanks, Maggie. Thanks, Eric. Hello, everyone. This is Suki. And let's bring it down to technology stack. For front end, we use Next.js, which was on top of React.js. We're using TypeScript as well. And for style, we're using styled components. For the backend, we use Nest.js. Python is mainly for the AI parts. The database, MongoDB we're using MongoDB as our main database. We also use DynamoDB mainly for store some logs. Redis is mainly for store the caching and message queues. The AI architectures. We use RAG architectures to retrieve all kinds of informations using long chain to do embeddings to turn that into vector, save that to vector database. Here we use Drunt and ChromaDB as our vector database. Then as large language model, we mainly use OpenAI and cloud. Finally, we use Ruggers to evaluate the generated answers. Next, let's move on to the deployment and cloud infrastructures. We combine AWS Lambda for serverless operations, EC2 for scalable computing, and use VPC and subnets to create a secure and organized network environment. And for data scraping, we use Python and Node.js. Next page, please. Here is our database schema. The first two is user table and profile table. Both of these tables to store user informations. The user table stores user details and authentication informations. The profile extension, the user informations, more for job related informations. Then let's talk about job database. I mentioned data scraping in last section, remember? The data we scraped is used to aggregate millions of job listings from top job boards, company websites, LinkedIn, and more. And favorite jobs, like we all have favorite websites stored on our web browsers. So here, favorite jobs was linked to users and jobs tables to store users' favorite jobs. And the job preference, user preferences for job search criteria. Then let's move on to the key features, the resume. The resume was we can generate resume, dynamically generate and optimize resume based on the profile and the job preference, mainly according to the job description keywords. And finally, the pricing tables to store pricing plans and the subscription. Next page, please. And finally, move down to the project timeline. Month 1, we're going to do About Us page, pricing page, enterprise register and login page. Month 2, we're focused on enterprise reset password page, job analysis. The ATS function, we're going to do that across month 2 and month 3. Finally, we're going to do the SSO login, which like Google. And we are currently working on our very first sprint, starting with the About Us page. Several other features are already planned in our backlogs, and we also have a few tickets are ready to collect it. All right, this is very end of our proposal. Thank you all for listening.